This is the brief on accessing your new Employee Access Portal. The new Forsyth County Schools portal is really your one-stop shop for paychecks, time off, and essential resources. And we're going to break the setup down into simple, bite-sized steps so you can get logged in without the headache. First, let's get you logged in on the web. Just head over to ClassLink, click on District Tools, and select Employee Access. You're going to use your full email login. That's username at foresightCTSDGA.us. And definitely check that Remember Me box to make future logins a breeze. Second, logging in for the very first time requires a one-time identity check. Now, why all the security? Well, think of this step as a strict digital bouncer protecting your personal data. You'll need 4 quick details: your district email address, the last 4 digits of your SSN, your birth date, and your home zip code. But what if you type it in and it says no? Hey, don't panic. If the details don't match, simply contact the finance department to get it sorted.
Alternatively, you can download an app called Workforce Mobile. Once you download and open up the app, go ahead and skip the location prompt. Definitely not required.
Just enter the initial account code, foresightCTSDGA, and complete the Duo 2-factor authentication. Once you're inside the portal, just navigate over to the right side to find a really great resources section packed with helpful FAQs, calendars, and documents. Knocking out these quick steps today puts literally all your essential employment tools right at your fingertips.
Hopefully you've enjoyed this tutorial. If you head over to my YouTube page, make sure you subscribe if you find these videos helpful. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.